let's see. I'll definitely make the title right. Seeing this, go ahead and subscribe, like this. Definitely helps. Okay. Whew, this is a tight fit. Okay. So what we are going to be doing here is, well, everything actually. The entire deck up top forward of the cockpit, the walk around, is dead. From the forward, all up here, forward of the cabin top, down the sides. You can see this one here is a stanchion. It's ripped out. All the coring is nasty. That follows down through the first forward bulkhead, under all the little cabinets here, all the way down, both sides. So we're going to be cutting that open and repairing everything. Go ahead.